In this segment, we will highlight some of the requirements and changes from the 1994 Hazard Communication Standard compared to the 2012 Hazard Communication Standard. First, let's cover the effective dates. Employers shall train employees regarding the new label elements and safety data sheets format by December 1st, 2013. All the chemical manufacturers, importers, and distributors and employers shall be in compliance with all modified provisions of this section no later than June 1st, 2015. Except after December 1st, 2015, the distributor shall not ship containers labeled by a chemical manufacturer or importer unless the label has been modified to comply with the new standard. All employers shall, as necessary, update any alternative workplace labeling used, update the hazard communication program, and provide any additional employee training in accordance for newly identified physical or health hazards no later than June 1st, 2016. The two main changes to the Hazard Communication Standard are the required format of the safety data sheets and the use of globally harmonized pictograms on hazard labels. MSDS sheets, commonly referred to in the 1994 standard, are now called safety data sheets, commonly known as SDS. The other major change is the use of the globally harmonized pictograms on hazard labels. Each pictogram consists of a symbol on a white background framed within a red border and represents distinct hazards. There are 8 pictograms for hazardous labels that will be used now under the new 2012 standard. Several key changes have been made to update the definitions section of the Hazard Communication Standard. In order to be consistent with the globally harmonized system, OSHA has added, deleted, and modified a number of the definitions. For example, some of the new definitions are classification, hazard category, hazard class, hazard not otherwise classified, hazard statement, and so forth. Some of the deleted definitions are combustible liquid, compressed gas, explosive, flammable, material safety data sheet, and so on. Some of the revised definitions include chemical, chemical name, hazardous chemical, health hazard, label, mixture, physical hazard, and trade secret. Refer directly to the OSHA Hazard Communication Standard 29 CFR 1910.1200 for a complete list of definition changes.